In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in if you forgot your Bitwarden master password. It's a common situation, but don't worry, I've got you covered. There are a few straightforward steps that will help you regain access to your Bitwarden account without breaking a sweat. To start off, open up your web browser and head over to the Bitwarden website. It's regarded as one of the best password managers for business, enterprise, and personal use. If you haven't visited before, just type in bitwarden.com to get there directly. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to locate the Login button. It should be quite apparent towards the top of the page. Clicking on this button will take you to the Bitwarden Web Vault. This is where you'll manage your passwords and account settings. Now, when you're at the Bitwarden Web Vault, you'll see another Login button specifically for logging into Bitwarden. Go ahead and click on that. If you've forgotten your master password, there are alternative methods you can use to gain access. You might notice the option to log in with a passkey. This is a convenient method if you've set up a passkey prior to forgetting your password. It allows you to authenticate your identity without needing your master password. If the passkey isn't an option for, there is still another method you can use to log in. Look for the option that says, Use Single Sign-On, also known as SSO. This option is available for users whose organizations have set up this feature. SSO lets you log in using your organization's identity provider, bypassing the need for your Bitwarden master password. This is particularly handy for enterprise users who often have multiple credentials to manage. Once you've chosen the most suitable login method, follow the prompts that appear on your screen. The system will guide you through the authentication process based on your selection, whether that's using a passkey or the single sign-on option. Remember, the key to managing your passwords effectively is to ensure they remain accessible, yet secure. After you've successfully regained access, it might be worth setting up additional recovery options or reviewing your security settings. Consider enabling two-factor authentication if it's not already activated. This provides an extra layer of security, making it harder for unauthorized users to access your account. And there you go. That's how you can log into your Bitwarden account even if you've forgotten your master password. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look and what options are available. I hope you found this guide helpful. And don't hesitate to explore Bitwarden's other features to keep your passwords secure and manageable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.